Hey guys, today I'm gonna do a tutorial, my first ever tutorial, how to go, how to get the Twitter bird for free. As you see here, my Twitter bird, and then go to Roblox, go to here, and then I don't have the Twitter bird in this account yet, but type Roblox. Sweet Roblox. See? And then go to avatar. Check it at the accessories. The shoulder. Was the shoulder? Here's the shoulder. And then said the bird says blank. And then that's it. But it can only be visible if you're a game. So remember to smash that like button, hit that subscribe button, comment down below.